President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky met at Mar-a-Lago in Florida to chalk out and discuss the 20-point plan to end the Russia-Ukraine conflict. The US President also spoke to his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin, before the meeting, and both leaders decided to talk again over the phone post-meeting.
Well, they're getting close to something, but I hope...
Trump said his call with Putin was very productive, and he was optimistic that they were closer to a peace deal.
I really believe we're probably, Mr. President, by far closer than ever before with both parties. We had some times when he was close and President Putin wasn't. Then when President Putin was close and he wasn't. You saw that in the White House. But I think they both want to see it happen.
The US also approved 15 years of security guarantees for Ukraine, which Zelensky said Kyiv would review and try to work out a way with Washington to extend the guarantees.
Yes or no? You can speak. Yes, okay. Thank you, sir. Margot.
Ми проговорили командами, а вчора...
We discussed this within our teams yesterday and approved it with President of the United States that we will have strong security guarantees from United States. Truly, now, this is not forever. In documents, this is for 15 years with the responsibility of extending these security guarantees. I raised this question with President Trump. I told him that we have the war ongoing already and that it goes for 15 years almost. And that's why we would like the guarantees be for a longer period. And I told him that we would like to review a possibility for 30, 40 or 50 years. And that it then would be a historic decision of President Trump. Trump said that he will think.
However, two issues remain yet unresolved in the 20-point plan.
Два запитання залишаються. Це...
Two questions remain. This is the station, how it will function, the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant, and the issue of territories. These are two questions that remains precisely in the 20-point document.
А 20-пунктний план...
On the other hand, Russian President Vladimir Putin said Russia must continue offensive operations to gain full control of Donbas region and the city of Zaporizhzhia. The meeting between Putin and top military commanders was television in Russia, as Russian president is expected to hold phone talks with US President Trump.
Сколько? 15 километров? В настоящее время соединение группировки.
The group continues offensive operations in the Zaporizhzhia region. The foremost units are now roughly 15 kilometers from the southern outskirts of the city of Zaporizhzhia. End of report. Yes, around 15 kilometers to the outskirts. Of course, we must continue the advance along with Vostok Group to liberate Zaporizhzhia.
Совместно с группировкой «Восток» по освобождению Запорожья.
They want to end it like everybody wants. Russia wants it ended.
Trump and Zelensky spoke to European leaders before the meeting and assured of speaking to them later.
It could also go poorly.
The meeting between both the leaders was, however, inconclusive, and no formal deadline has been set yet.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
A day before the talks took place, Russia attacked Ukraine's capital Kyiv with missiles and drones, killing 1 person and wounding 27. With Mahashweta Lala, Bureau Report, India Today.